Hi, I am Rye from the Cooking with Rye YouTube channel, and today I'm kind of taking over the Cooking Cop and Babe channel, stepping in with a bunch of other YouTubers to help out Josh and Babe while Josh is fighting some health issues. Today we're going to be making some crispy pork with green beans and sweet chili sauce. This is a great side dish for the holidays coming up. Check our griddle temperature here, right at about 3, let's see what you can see, 380, 390, so pretty hot. We're going to dial it down just a little bit here. Now I have my 2 left side burners on and the 2 right side burners off. This is going to be sort of the keep warm area over here on the right side. Just going to put a little bit of canola oil down. We're going to get our pork on here. I'm going to break this down. Want to hit this with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, while our pork is cooking, I want to get started on the green beans, so I've shifted the pork a little bit over into this sort of second burner. And we are going to add our green beans here. These are just fresh from a bag. Now, just to help these green beans along, I'm going to hit them with a little bit of water and just sort of partially dome them. This is a version of one of my favorite dishes from a Chinese restaurant we love in Whittier. It's called Silver Palace, and they make this crispy pork and string beans, which is amazing. I've never been able to get it just right, but this is pretty close. Check our string beans. I know, sometimes I'll call these string beans, sometimes I'll call them green beans. I'm going to get a little bit of color on these green beans, string beans, while they cook and tenderize. And go ahead and get some more water and dome these again. Pork is looking good here. I'm going to move the pork over to the keep warm side. A little bit of oil right here. I'm going to add some sliced red bell pepper. Hit these with just a little bit of salt and pepper. Now, when I'm doing something like green beans or something on the flat top, I want to do a little quick taste test for tenderness here. A little bit more. And this is really about cooking them to the consistency and the tenderness you like. Some people like them really soft, some people like a little bit of bite. I like a little bit of bite. Now I'm going to move the peppers and the green beans together to a little bit of the keep warm area because they're getting tender. What I'm going to add to the pork now is some sweet chili sauce. This is kind of like a Thai sweet chili. I got it at Trader Joe's. Really, any sort of sweet chili sauce will work here. And I'm adding a few tablespoons here. A little bit more salt and pepper. Looking good here, getting some color on this. Time to bring everybody back together. Couple more tablespoons of our sweet chili sauce. I also just love the color of this, the red and the green together. One final little hit of salt and pepper on here. Do a quick little test for doneness, see if it's where I like it. Yep. All right, it is time to plate this up and have a taste. All right, here we go. Our finished crispy pork with green beans, string beans, one of those two things. And the reason this gets called crispy pork is you can cook it till it's really, really crisp, almost burned. But if you add that chili sauce there, that sweet chili sauce, gives a little bit of caramelization on the outside, really nice. So I'm just gonna dive in. Pork, green bean, red pepper, let's go. You all just sit there and watch while I eat. I love all the components of this, but man, the pork is so good. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this recipe. Go out and make it, try it, change it up, make it your own. And if you're not subscribed to the Cooking Cop and Babe, do that now and click that bell. And don't just watch this video, go watch more of their videos. Watch all of their videos. It will really help them out at this time. So Josh, you keep fighting this, you kick its butt. Babe, you help him along. And thank you for letting me come along, put a video on your channel. Had a great time.